Wagwan, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to cook hard boiled food as well as cassava dumplings. I already uploaded a video to this channel how to make cassava dumplings from scratch with step-by-step details, so you can check that video out. So now I'm using a cup and a half of cassava. This is grated cassava. I grated the cassava and then I allow it to air dry, and then I store it in an airtight container into the fridge. So I am using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The measuring cup is half cup, right? Yeah man. So I am now adding a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna mix the combined, and then I'm gonna add a little water at a time to mix the flour and the cassava into a dough. So I use more cassava than flour because I want the dumplings to taste more like cassava. So if you will be following this recipe and you just want a little bit of cassava in your dumpling, you can use less cassava and more flour.